Another question we get quite asked a lot is how to remove bad reviews from your Google My Business profile. The thing about bad reviews is nobody wants them, but not everyone can say no to them. So the best thing you can do about a bad review is, as you can see, respond positively. This person gave a bad review about it. Person took his time to review, but the owner of the company reviewed and responded in a positive manner. So this is important to do. Yes, there are other bad reviews that you could have that could be damaging to the business in general. And if it is also false, you can report to Google and Google will take it down. But as the business owner, you cannot delete the review. The only thing you can do is report the review. You can also ask other people that believe in your business and understand that your business is positive to also do the same. So the more reports that a review has, the more likely that Google will take it down. So approach bad reviews with positive mindset. If it is getting out of hand, reach out to Google to take it down. But if it is possible to report the review, if it is overly done and it is damaging for the business or false, you can report the review. So if you have any other question, you can definitely ask and we'd love to answer. Don't forget to subscribe to Digitech and we'll see you in the next one.